Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy fix for 2025. How to get rid of that annoying recycle bin icon on your desktop. Whether you're running the latest Windows update or just want a cleaner workspace, this guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, why even bother removing it? A clutter-free desktop can boost your focus and make your computer feel more personalized. Plus, with Windows evolving in 2025, it's simpler than ever to customize your setup. But remember, hiding the icon doesn't delete your files, it just tidies things up. Step 1. Make sure you're on your desktop. Right-click on an empty space to bring up the context menu. This is your gateway to customization, so don't skip it. Step 2. From the menu, select Personalize or Settings. In 2025 versions of Windows, you might find this labeled under Themes and Customization for a more streamlined experience. Step 3. Once you're in the settings, navigate to the Desktop Icon Settings section. It's usually tucked away under Themes or directly in the Personalization options. Keep an eye out. Step 4. In the Desktop Icon Settings window, you'll see a list of icons like this PC, network, and the recycle bin. Simply uncheck the box next to Recycle Bin to hide it. Step 5. Click Apply, and then OK to save your changes. Your desktop should update immediately, and poof, the icon is gone. If it doesn't disappear right away, try restarting your computer or double-checking your settings. And hey, if you're new to this, always back up your customizations just in case. There you have it, a neat, icon-free desktop in under a minute. This little tweak can make a big difference in your daily workflow. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.